3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
In this tutorial, I will explain how to create a free Minecraft server. If you find it helpful, please consider subscribing and liking this video. First, close Minecraft if it's running. Then, open your web browser. I want to thank our sponsor, Apex Hosting, which offers paid servers with benefits like 24/7 uptime support and quick setup. If you're interested, check the link below. Now let's get started. Open the folder, right-click on Server Jar and choose Open With, then select JavaTM Platform SE Binary. If you don't see this option, you may need to install Java. Visit java.com to download and install it. After installing Java, try opening Server Jar again with Java. If you get a Java development kit, you'll need the Java Development Kit, JDK. Go back to java.com, find the JDK, download it, and install it. After that, go back to the server folder and open ELA.ds. Change ELA equals false to ELA equals true and save the file. Now, double-click Server Jar to get and install it. Wait for it to finish setting up. Once it's ready, ensure your Minecraft version matches the server version. Open Minecraft, click on Multiplayer, and select Direct Connection or Add Server. Type localhost and click Done to join your server. To become the server operator, type op followed by your username in the chat. To change server settings, close the server, find Server Operator folder, and open it with Notepad. After making your changes, save the file and relaunch the server. If you want your friends to join, you'll need to set up port forwarding and share your IP address with trusted people. If you found this guide useful, please like and subscribe.